a amazing journey I have been on for the last week with Jocelyn's Life Change retreats here in Bali. I've had such a beautiful time. I've had some really lovely time to reflect on, have some time for myself and to reflect on my life, and we've done some really beautiful workshops on looking at values and looking at goals. A lot of the time back at home I have these goals and I can't seem to achieve them, and this retreat has really helped me to look at what my values are and prioritise my values and prioritise what I need to prioritise to actually achieve my goals. So I'm really excited about getting back home and being able to do that. Along the way I've met some really beautiful ladies on their journey as well, and we've really had some time to connect with each other, and listening to their stories and listening to their journey and listening to them, listening and watching them shine every day, seeing the light that's switching on and saying, ooh, I didn't realise that, and having these beautiful revelations. It's been really lovely. The food has been absolutely delicious. I've been full every day. And yeah, I'm really excited to now go home and take what I've learnt through this retreat and move forward with my life. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited because I'm definitely going to come to the next retreat, and my advice would be to get in contact with Jocelyn, because she's going to have lots of other beautiful retreats as well. So come transform yourself.